Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to take a look at the top 5 best Samsung laptops in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the prices and find out more information about these laptops, you can check out the links down in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Samsung Chromebook 3. The Samsung Chromebook 3 is an affordable laptop that would be an ideal option for students and frequent travelers due to its compactness and versatility. From a design perspective, this laptop features a surprisingly good build quality with textured metallic black chassis that has a silky smooth palm rest and a gently rounded lip for keeping it comfortable and safely. Its 11.6-inch screen has a subtle texture which helps in minimizing reflections from the glossy bezel, and thanks to its flexible hinge, you can tilt the screen up to 180 degrees. The keyboard is spill resistant, comfortable, and the keys are slightly curved for sitting comfortably on your fingertips while keeping you orientated. In addition, the touchpad is well made, feels smooth, and is very responsive, so you can navigate easily without putting much effort. The Chromebook 3 has a slim jack for the AC adapter, a USB 2.0 port, a full-size HDMI and a microSD on the left side, while on the opposite side there is a USB 3.0 port and a combination of audio and microphone jack. Furthermore, the bottom-firing speakers are good for the price and are loud enough to fill a small room, but since the main purpose of this laptop is for students and frequent travelers, the overall audio quality is good. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Chromebook 3 screen is a thing that must be mentioned and highlighted. The LED display has a resolution of 1366 by 7068 and it has 259 nits, which is more than most of the laptops in this price range. And also, the viewing angles are good enough since you can view the on-screen colors from about 45 degrees on each side. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable laptop that can help you achieve your daily goals fast and equip you with multitasking capabilities, then this is the laptop you should consider getting. Next up, at number 4 we have the Samsung Notebook 5. The Notebook 5 combines a high level of performance, durability and great design in one piece. From a design perspective, this laptop features a solid black colored case that is composed of a 15.7-inch LED widescreen touch display which will surely increase your overall intuitive experience. In addition, the display is made with durable Gorilla Glass 3, which means that the chances of getting scratches or breaking if you accidentally drop it are minimal. The keyboard is really comfortable to type on. It is not backlit, but that wouldn't be a huge problem since you can type quickly and accurately on it. On the other side, the touchpad has multi-touch capabilities, it is highly responsive and will respond accurately to your demands. This laptop also has plenty of connectivity options such as one HDMI port, headphone and microphone jack, 2 USB 2.0 ports, one USB 3.0 port, an SD card reader, Internet port and Bluetooth 4.1 with 802.11ac Wi-Fi for having a fast connection. But now, let's talk about its features. The Notebook 5 uses a 7th generation of Intel dual-core processor, has a generous amount of RAM memory and also includes the NVIDIA GeForce 920MX for equipping you with gaming capabilities as I stated in the beginning. This graphics card uses the NVIDIA Optimus technology, so you can play many games on this laptop or use it for photo and video editing, while on the other side, the battery will be conserved as much as possible. Furthermore, the speakers are good for the price, but you can always use your external speakers if you want to have a better gaming or listening experience. The battery life is around 9 hours, but this varies because everything depends on how you use it. To conclude, you should take this laptop into consideration, and if you ever decide to purchase it, the Notebook 5 will ensure long hours of entertainment. At number 3, we have the Samsung Notebook 7 Spin. The Samsung Notebook 7 can be described as a hybrid mid-range 2-in-1 laptop that has game-ready graphics and an impressive battery life. From a design perspective, this laptop features an all-silver aluminum body with black keys, while at the bottom of the laptop is coated with a rubberized layer which provides a smooth and stable touch and prevents the laptop from moving around. Moreover, the Notebook 7 features a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen LED backlight display that has a 360-degree flip and fold design, so you can adjust it based on your preferences. The keyboard is backlit and very comfortable thanks to its accurately positioned keys, that have plenty of space between for ensuring that you won't hit anything accidentally. The touchpad is well made and supports multi-touch gestures, so your swipes will be accurately delivered to the screen. Along the left flank, there is one Ethernet port, an HDMI port, one USB 3.0 port, a USB-C port which supports charging and 4K display output. On the right, there is a power button, a volume rocker, two USB 3.0 ports and an SD card slot. Now let's talk about the performance. This laptop has HDR mode that helps in delivering sharp visuals and makes the contrast and textures more vivid and realistic. Furthermore, the Notebook 7 is equipped with impressive hardware components, so you can have plenty of tabs and applications running at the same time without lagging. The battery life is around 8 hours if you use it for web surfing, chatting or doing some job related work, but if you use it for more demanding tasks such as gaming, it will last for around 3 hours. To be fully charged, you should wait around 2 hours and 30 minutes, and that is not that long since you can always connect it to a charger. Overall, if you're looking for a 2-in-1 laptop that is one of the best in its category thanks to its fast performance and gaming capabilities, then this is a laptop you should seriously consider getting. Moving on, at number 2 we have the Samsung Notebook Odyssey. The Samsung Notebook Odyssey is a gaming laptop that offers more value for money compared to its competitors. From a design perspective, the Odyssey features a bold backlit icon on the back, multicolored keyboard lights, and an angular decorative outline around the touchpad. In addition, there are a series of cooling vents across the bottom in a crosshatch pattern which Samsung calls it a hexaflow vent design. Its 15.6-inch Full HD display has an anti-glare coating, so you don't have to worry about getting stray reflections, and this means that you can see sharp and stunning visuals. The keyboard, as I stated in the beginning, is backlit, but also very comfortable for typing or gaming. Its touchpad looks aggressive and is surrounded by an LED lit plastic thrombus, so it will surely add a lot to your gaming ambient. In addition, it is smooth and responsive, so you can browse with 2-finger scrolls or even switch between apps using 3-finger swipes. On the left side of the laptop, there is a power port, one Ethernet jack, an HDMI port, one USB 3.0 port and a headphone jack. While on the other side, there is an SD card slot, a pair of USB 2.0 ports and a Kensington lock slot. Furthermore, the speakers are loud enough to fill a room, but if you want to enhance your gaming experience, you can always take an advantage of external speakers. Now, let's talk about its features. This laptop boots up really fast thanks to its SSD and the RAM memory, which you can additionally expand when you need a boost. I want to mention that except for gaming, you can use this laptop for photo and video editing thanks to its hardware and screen, which will help you see clear and sharp visuals. To conclude, you should definitely take this laptop into consideration if you're looking for a laptop that wouldn't cost you much but will let you play many games and do many different high demanding tasks, so it's definitely a great laptop. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. This laptop combines flexibility, power and versatility into a single unit for elevating your user experience to a whole new level. From a design perspective, the Notebook 9 Pro features an elegant and formal design that is composed of a black anodized aluminum chassis with brushed aluminum accents. Its 15.6-inch 4K Ultra HD screen has a 10-point touch and is placed in an anti-glare coating which cuts down reflections and lets you have a clear view of the screen. Moreover, thanks to its 360-degree hinge, you can adjust this laptop in various modes, depending on your requirements, or even use its integrated S Pen to improve your user experience. The Notebook 9 Pro has plenty of connectivity ports, such as a built-in S Pen, an HD webcam, one USB Type-C port, two USB 3.0 ports, one HDMI port, and a microSD slot. This laptop's keyboard is backlit, and there are 3 levels of brightness of which you can take advantage of, and choose your most appropriate one when working in dimly lit environments. Also, the keys are very comfortably spaced and are strategically positioned in order to prevent mistypes. On the other side, the touchpad feels smooth, is accurate and fast, so you won't have any problems while using it. Now let's talk about the performance. This laptop runs very quick, which means that it will process all of your working tasks smoothly and you won't also wait much to boot up thanks to its hardware components. The display includes an HDR mode, which helps in making the visuals sharper, accurate, and will increase your productivity when you are working on spreadsheets and have to see a lot of elements on the screen. The battery can last around 9 hours, which means that you don't have to bring your charger with you since it will last through a full working day. Overall, you should definitely take this laptop into consideration, and if you ever decide to purchase it, the Notebook 9 Pro will equip you with multitasking capabilities and make you more productive than ever. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the prices and more information about these laptops, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.